guys, welcome to my channel, Rebecca's QB. Today guys, I will be showing you our refrigerator. If what's the secret is not to become stinky inside the ref guys. So we will check, and what's the secret for that secret. We will share the secret guys to make our fridge not stinky. Ayan. So we will check now what's inside also. We will check and check. Ayan, keep on watching. So this is the refrigerator of my sister. Ayan, that's odor guys. Swerpa. So we will check. We will tour first. We will tour first what's inside. Ayan. So here inside there's oh, what is this? There's ice cubes. And there's a for sale ice juice guys. This is a for sale ice juice. 3 pesos for the ice juice. Flavor is orange flavor. And then here we have a fish. This one, my sister put this one in a ziploc. It's nice to put in ziploc guys, because it can save space. So ayan, this is fish and meat. So that's the chicken. That's the pork. So yeah, that's pork chop. So all in ziploc guys. Ayan, put in a plastic also. And under this one is an ice water. It's an ice guys. So this is for sale also. 3 pesos. So if they're going out and I'm the one left inside the house, I'm the one sell here. Oh, there's still ice cream. Cornito ice cream. Ayan. So that's in the first floor. And here it's empty guys. Empty. And yeah, Toblerone chocolate. That's little already. That's from my classmate. And the chocolate here, the dairy milk. And the chocolate from my fans. One left. Shout out to Sir Brake Cleaner. Ayan. The 70% cacao. So that's what here in the first floor, first window. Not that much guys. Not that much. And then here in the second door, it's really empty guys. Not that much. Milk of dongi. And what is this? Tomato sauce. And dairy cream butter. And sliced bread. Just like that guys. And Dutch milk. Oh, we put that number 2. 2.5. 2.5. And here, oh, there's still papaya guys. Papaya. And this one is Coca-Cola. For sale Coca-Cola. So this is 1 liter. 1 liter Coca-Cola. It's 35 pesos guys. And this one is for sale also, 237 ml. Ayan. It's 13 pesos. So yeah, that's only inside the fridge guys. It's little only. It's the Royal. Ayan, Royal. 35 pesos. And the Sprite. And here it's a wrapping Oh, that's already damaged, guys. The sayuti. Chayuti. Bell pepper and tomatoes. It's not that a lot. We're bankruptcy. Potatoes, 2 potatoes. Not much inside the fridge, guys. No budget yet. And there's a tanduay. Tanduay, it's a honey, guys, inside. Honey and the vitamins of dongi. Dongi vitamins and medicine. And yeah, butter. Buttercup. Ayan. And in here, yeah, it's just juice of dongi. And what is this one? Sugar. And a very small bell pepper. Bell pepper, guys, that's very small. And then Milo. Yeah, tablia. And 3 eggs. 3 eggs only. What is this? Dongi food. And we have pork cubes. We're using a pork cube, guys. Oh, why the toothpaste of dong is here? Oral. And this one is resin and vanilla extract. What is this? For dong, I think for dong. So the secret, guys, is this one. So that your fridge is not stinky, you put charcoal, guys. Yeah, charcoal. You put inside the fridge here, this area. Oh, where you put it? Either here. So yeah, that's our secret. I'm just sharing you guys that really charcoal helps to make fridge not smell bad. So yun, you try this one if you don't know, guys. Charcoal, and then we put that there. Oh, by the way, here inside is an ice water, guys. Ice water, that's 2 peso mineral water. And the mineral nature spring, that's 13 pesos. And the bigger one is 15 pesos, guys. So that's all. Not much. You can see, guys, it's not that much. You cannot see any foods there. You cannot see cake. You cannot see anything. So ayan, thank you for watching, guys. So we put this one here. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. That's getting noisy now. Ayan, thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.